Want to experience studio quality sound on your iPhone? Here's how to turn on lossless audio in Apple Music. Like and subscribe for more premium sound tips. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Music. Now, tap Audio Quality under the Audio section. Turn on the toggle for lossless audio. You will now see 3 settings: cellular streaming, Wi-Fi streaming, downloads. For each one, tap and choose either. High efficiency, uses less data. High quality, standard. Lossless, high res lossless, best quality but requires wired headphones or external DAC. Note: Bluetooth headphones like AirPods don't support full lossless quality. For true high res, use wired headphones or a DAC. That's it. Lossless audio is now enabled in Apple Music. Like and subscribe for more iPhone sound upgrades and listening tips.